Hello, I'm Stephanie.
I'm Vivian.
We made Meerca, which is a Neopets game that is essentially a snake plus some extra obstacles. The player controls the Meerca through the arrow keys, moving right, left, down, or up. Wherever the Meerca moves, its tail follows. To start off the game, we kill any previous running scripts and reset all of our global variables. We have a game variable to keep track of whether or not the Meerca is alive. If the Meerca touches the stage boundaries, a red neck, or its own tail, the game is set to false and the program stops. The main block controlling our tail is the recursive tail command block. The recursive tail block generates a dictionary, global variable tail list, which keeps track of the positions of all our tail elements. The keys are numbers indicative of the position of the tail element in the tail. The values of the dictionary are lists of XY positions. It is nested in a forever loop, so it will continually respond to the changes in global variable touches, which is how many eggs our Meerca has eaten, and updates the tail list accordingly. Our base case is when we have no tail, or when touches equal 0. The key value of 0 corresponds to a list of Meerca XY positions. We recursively call the block again with tail elements -1 as an input each time a tail is added. This is because each tail element is based on the position of the one before it, and the element of the first tail is relative to the Meerca's position, our base case, meaning so are all the other elements. We use a map high-order function to create distance between the elements. Each clone then inherits a script that tells it to go to its corresponding XY position in the tail list. This is where the script variable local touches comes in. This makes sure that each clone accesses its position value in the dictionary with the key it's associated with. We add a red neck every time touches is changed. The global variable clone added is also used to help us clone only once each time the Meerca eats an egg. The red neck is generated in such a way that it's random and in a position not already occupied by other necks. In order to keep track of the score, we have two global variables, score and score list. We add values each time a yellow neck is touched and more when a special neck is eaten. We use a combined high-order function to produce the final score. One of our power-ups is the move slow neck. To do this, we have the steps the Meerca is taking each second. We have a global variable steps in the beginning. We keep track of time through a script variable called time. Once time reaches 5 seconds, we change steps back to normal. For our yellow neck, we regenerate it at a random new position each time it's eaten. We add one of the special necks once in a while through mods of touches. Our special necks become visible when touches is a specific multiple of a number and becomes invisible when eaten through changing costumes. And this is a demo of our game. So once the Meerca has eaten the first yellow neck, a tail is added, and a red neck is also added. And we see that because touches mod 2 equals 0, a rainbow neck appears. And then we died because we touched a red neck.